Yes. This is my first encounter with a vicious, gifted vicious bee, I guess. Come on, go, go, go. Don't let him escape. Oh shit. Don't target me. That's not fair. Shit, shit. Oh, ow. Oh my, ow, ow. No, that's 100 damage. Ow, 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 ow. My bees aren't awake yet. I forgot. Just stay. Come on. Kill this guy already. This guy never dies. This guy never dies. Oh, oh, oh. I'm so low. 20 health, gang. Oh, oh my god, there's a spike right in my face. Get the focus tokens. Beat the shit out of this guy. I got music as well. Nice. Come on. 75. He's about to die. He's dead. He's dead. Justin, Gifted Vicious just gave me like 50, I think. 50. Yeah, 50, 50. Yeah, 50 stingers. That's really nice. What? I'm running low on what food?